Hi everyone! In today's video, we are going to talk about how to extend the lifespan of your ASIC miner. If you are into cryptocurrency mining, you know that ASIC miners are a significant investment. So how can you make sure that they last as long as possible and maximize the profitability? In this video, we are going through all the factors that affect miner durability and how to maintain it properly. How long does an ASIC miner last? The lifespan of ASIC miner is divided in two key categories. First one is the physical lifespan, the hardware durability. Typically lasts 5 to 10 years with proper care. Depends on build quality, cooling and proper maintenance. Can be shortened by overheating, humidity and dust accumulation. Second one is economic lifespan, the profitability over time. That is determined by mining profitability and electricity cost. Can last 3+ years with efficient power management and when operational cost exceeds the mining rewards. The goal is to extend physical and economic lifespan to maximize profitability. What shortens ASIC miner lifespan? There are several factors that can reduce ASIC miner's lifespan and durability. Overheating, the poor cooling can cause component failure. High humidity, moisture causes rust and corrosion inside the machine. Extreme temperatures, hot and cold condition affects miner stability. Dust and dirt blocks airflow and causes inefficient cooling. Voltage fluctuation damage sensitive components. By controlling these factors, you can extend your miner's life significantly. How to extend the service life of your ASIC miner? Keep your miner cool and well ventilated, but don't overcool it. ASIC miners are generating a lot of heat and managing cooling is essential. Use air-cooled setups with high-speed fans. Consider water cooling in larger operations. Maintain proper airflow around the miner. Monitor temperatures to prevent overheating. Professionally, place miner in climate control environment to maintain stable temperatures. Control humidity to prevent corrosion. Moisture in air can damage circuit boards. Keep miners in dry environment with humidity levels below 50%. Use dehumidifiers in areas with extreme moisture. Avoid placing miners in basements or outdoor environments. Rust and corrosion can cause irreversible damage to your miner. Regular cleaning and maintenance. ASIC miners accumulate dust and debris over time, which can block airflow and cause overheating. And now, how to clean your miner. Clean the fans regularly to prevent dust buildup. Use compressed air to remove dirt from heat sinks and from circuit boards. Also inspect power cables and connectors for wear and tear. Professional tip: perform full miner inspection every 2 to 3 months to keep it in top shape. Use stable power supply. Unstable power may damage ASIC components over time. Use high quality original power supply unit with voltage protection. Avoid cheap, low-efficiency power supply that could overheat and damage your miner. Install voltage regulators or uninterruptible power supplies for extra stability. Sudden power surges can damage your ASIC miner permanently. Optimize power efficiency to extend your economic lifespan. Electricity costs are the biggest mining expense. Choose miner with low power consumption for long-term efficiency. Use renewable or low-cost power sources. Consider hosting services with fixed electricity rates. If you are looking for low energy cost hosting, check out IceRiver EU hosting. Minimize overclocking and high stress usage. Overclocking may increase performance but also really shortens the lifespan. The best practices: use default setting for stable performance. This is for what is miner designed for. Avoid pushing the miner to maximum capacity for extended periods of time. Regularly monitor temperatures and power usage to prevent excessive stress. Plan for long-term profitability. ASIC miner economic lifespan is as important as physical durability. How to maintain profitability. Monitor cryptocurrency market trends. Choose miners with strong resale value. Upgrade to efficient mining hardware when necessary. Mining difficulty increases over time. Having an efficient ASIC miners ensures the long-term profitability. Best ASIC miners for durability and longest lifespan. If you are looking for long-lasting and efficient ASIC miners, check out the latest models from IceRiver. IceRiver KS5L. Check this link in QR code. 12 terahash a second hash rate, 3.4 kilowatt power consumption, optimized for long-term profitability. IceRiver Aleo AE0. Check this link in QR code. 50 megahash per second hash rate, 100 watts power consumption, perfect one for home mining setups. The complete range of our IceRiver ASIC miners can be found on IceRiver EU website. The final conclusion: protect your investment and extend your miner lifespan. Keep your miners cool in good ventilation. Control humidity to prevent rust and corrosion. Regularly clean and maintain hardware. Use high quality power supply for stable performance. Optimize energy efficiency for long-term profitability. Avoid overclocking to prevent premature failure. By following these best practices, you can extend the lifespan of your ASIC miner and maximize mining profitability for years to come. Invest in durable, efficient ASIC miners today at IceRiver EU.